Hi guys, if you are using Firebase and you are facing this error that that the binding has not been initialized, so this is because you have not initialized the Flutter binding. So you can initialize it by writing Flutter, widgets Flutter binding dot ensure initialize. After writing this, you can reload the app and the error will be removed. As I reload, it will take some time, maybe, and after reloading it, the error will be removed. So you can remove this error by only enabling the Flutter binding. As you see, the error has been removed. Thanks for watching.